Before putting in a new case fan, make sure the fan is the correct size for your case. Consult the case manual and the case manufacturer. First, remove the side panel by unscrewing the thumb screws and then turn the PC on its side. Unscrew the fan from the outside. Remove the fan and carefully unplug the fan header. Plug in the fan header and align the holes on the fan with the holes on the case. Start screwing the fan in, doing opposite corners first. Make sure the fan is facing the right way for optimal airflow. Reattach the side panel.